Hello everyone, welcome back to EduTap. I hope you guys are absolutely good and you all are safe and healthy also. So today, after a lot of emails and after a lot of calls, many students were requesting this. So we are over here again with the IFSCA Grade A 2024 Phase 2 marathons. Yes, you heard me right. EduTap is conducting some marathons for those students who are preparing for IFSC Grade A's YAM. Phase 2 is happening on 13th of October. I hope you all know that. Before that, we are conducting 4 marathons. The schedule of the marathon is right on the front of your screen also. So in total, there are 4 marathons, and yes, these 4 marathons will happen on YouTube only, and these 4 marathons are completely free of cost. So even if you are not a subscriber of EduTap course, still you can take the advantage of wonderful marathons which we are about to conduct. First marathon is on 7th of October, 7th is on 8th of October, then 9th and then 10th. These are the days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and these are the time slot. First marathon will happen on 7th October, the time is 12 noon to 3 p.m. And for second, third, and fourth, that is marathon happening on 8th, 9th, and 10th, will happen in the evening slot. Okay, so this time we have to manage as per the faculties time also, so that they can come on YouTube and they can take your class. Okay, and yes, in each marathons, number of questions will be good. It will be it will be direct also, some application based questions also. Okay, in some marathons the number of questions will be 100 plus, but in small chapters like in pension and bullion, I think a good set of 70 to 80 questions will be there. Okay, so if you see the first marathon, which will be of banking, capital market, and bullion, this is your first marathon, which will be taken by me only. I will be coming with the question lot of somewhere around 100 to 125. Okay, we will try to make sure that the capital market segment, including your equity market, debt market, forex market, and what are the major roles of RBI, SEBI, and other regulatory bodies, we will cover this in the first marathon itself. Okay, and yes, we will also cover some bullion related scheme like gold monetization scheme, sovereign gold bond schemes. So multiple MCQs will be there in your first marathon itself, which will start from 12 to 3. Okay, 12 noon to 3 p.m. Then the second marathon will be of some, I would say, small subjects like pension and insurance. Insurance may we will try to cover almost like 50 to 60 questions, but in pension, I would say like 20 to 30 questions will be covered up. So in total, in pension and insurance, you will have roughly around 70 to 80 questions, and this particular marathon will be taken by Jaskaran sir. But please note the time. This is from 5 to 8 p.m. Okay, on 9th of October we will take your marathon related to budget and economic survey. Specifically in the syllabus of IFSC grade A's YAM, they have mentioned budget and economic survey, and this is where Gurkira sir will come, and he will again try to take multiple MCQs from this year budget and this year economic survey as well. Last but not the least, the most haunted subject of IFSCA is your IFSC Act and the GIFT City. We will try to cover all the current regulations. I have personally told Kritika ma'am to cover as many MCQs as possible from the regulations and from multiple things. Yes, I will be covering the regulations of bullion in my class, in my marathon, I mean. But for all the other regulations, Kritika ma'am will be covering it in her marathon, which is about to be scheduled on 10th of October. So this was a sweet, short introduction regarding all the marathon plan. If you are ready for the marathons, then please give me a thumbs up in the comment box. Let's see how many of you are ready. Okay. Yes, if you need anything else, EduTap is always there to help you. Just write your, I would say, what concern, feedback, whatever you have in the comment box. But these 4 marathons, I think they are very good to practice. Yes, in this marathon, we will not teach you the concept. Rather, we will revise all the most important things. Okay, so do join us live, and we will meet you on 7th of October, because on this day, IFSC Grade A marathons will start. Till then, be happy, keep preparing, and be happy. Stay safe, and I will meet you on 7th October now. Bye bye, take care, and have a good day ahead.